Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for Water Marble March we're going to be working on this Neon Swirl. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are neons from Color Club. First off is Poptastic. Then we have Warhol. The orange is One Love. Then we've got Yellin' Yellow. Wee Lyman. The blue is Chelsea Girl. And the purple is Mrs. Robinson. For my base color, I'll be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, and once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with protective peel as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I finish the bullseye, I'm going to go ahead and pull out in 4 directions. Then I'm going to pull back in towards the center in between each of those. Then I'll be drawing in a spiral. Once I've got the spiral drawn in, I'm going to look and see which part of the design I like best. Then I'm going to aim the spiral center toward my cuticle, and once I'm happy with how I have my nail positioned, just going to go ahead and dip in. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean up any excess so that it doesn't stick on top of the design. Then I'll slowly pull my nail out, remove my protection, and move on to the rest of my nails. once I'm done marbling, I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup. I'll be using a Q-tip dipped in acetone for some of the larger areas as well as underneath my nail, and then I'll be going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Now that I've pushed the bubbles flat, I decided to add a bit of sparkle, and I'm going to do that with the linear Holo taco. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I know there's a lot going on, but if you're not a fan of quite this much rainbow chaos, you could certainly use this as an accent nail and have it still be very beautiful with the rest of the nails as a black or white or one of the neon colors. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. The ring light is, as usual, washing out the holo more than a little bit, so I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.